Good morning, guys. What's up? My camera's on 3%, but I'm still gonna do this intro. It's been a minute. You missed me because I missed you, sis. How you doing? You guys already know the deal. Every single time I got something going on in my life, I somehow disappear from YouTube. I feel like before YouTube, I felt like I was a really good multitasker, but I just don't feel like I can, because I'm a person, like, when I have so much things to do, I start to stress it because I want to make sure that everything gets done. So I'm not able to put time into YouTube and sit down and do videos because my mind is everywhere else. So it's just kind of like I'm not into what it is that I'm doing in the moment. I feel like I look so stupid. Like, what's going on with this color? Whatever. But anywho, this is going to be a vlog. The big thing that I've been planning, well, there's two things that I've been planning since you guys last saw me, but the other one is not ready yet, and I won't speak about it because I'm just waiting for the time to speak about it. I've learned to not speak about things prematurely. Excuse me. But the thing that I've been planning is my boyfriend's surprise dinner party. My boyfriend is someone who does not really like birthdays. Let me not say he doesn't, well, he doesn't like birthdays. You know, like, he's one of those people that's just like, I don't want to do anything for my birthday. I don't want people to go out their way for my birthday. And I know most people would take this and just be like, okay, well, he doesn't like it, so I'm not going to do it. But that's not me, because I am someone who actually enjoys birthdays. I feel like birthdays are a way to celebrate God, to thank God, to celebrate life. Like, there's a blessing every single time that you know, reach a new age. The same way that we celebrate New Year's, we should celebrate our birthday, because our birthdays is our actual New Year's. So I'm throwing him a surprise dinner party. Today is Tuesday, March 10th. I'm not going to say his actual birthday because he gets really weird about people knowing his actual birthday. But his birthday's in, right? Today's March 10th? No, today's March 9th. So his birthday's around one of these days. I am not. I gotta go. I gotta get through here. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Let me get through. I'm sorry. I gotta get through here. His birthday is in the next couple of days, but I'm having the dinner party on the 11th of March. So I'm very excited. I told him that we are going to my friend's dinner party, and she's going, because her birthday is the day after his, and she's going to celebrate her birthday in Atlanta. So he thinks that we're going to, like, a Great Gatsby theme for his birthday. I mean, for her birthday, but it's actually his birthday. All of his friends is going to be there, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I have to, like, finalize, like, payments on certain things that I need to do today. I'm on my way to a shoot right now, which I should have never took because I am busy and I don't have enough time to do anything. My nails are not done yet. I need to get my nails done right after this at 2:30. I need to get my toes done. I need to take out my hair, dye my hair, and reinstall my hair. And then tomorrow I'm taking you guys with me to decorate the place, because I'm doing most of the decorations and everything by myself with the assistance of my friends. So I'm just, you know, I have a lot of faith in me that I don't think that I should have, but I'm not my fingers crossed, because I'm gonna do it anyway. But my camera's about to die, so I'll see you guys most likely after I get my nails done, because I think I have my charger here for me to charge my my camera. So I'll try to charge it while I'm shooting. Okay. All right, you guys. So I'm back home. My camera is still not charged because I've been doing so much running around. I found out today that this is the decorations for my boyfriend's party. I started blowing up balloons, and the reason why I started blowing up balloons today on Tuesday, when the event is on Wednesday, is because I found out that the venue got booked out for the Wednesday, and the Wednesday is what I was betting on for me to go in and prep the decor. So now I only have Thursday morning, and I only have about 4 to 5 people that can help me, and I really wanted like about 6 or 7. If I had the day before, then I wouldn't be stressed out so much because I'll be able to plan everything out. But because I only have that day, that Thursday, 9 a.m. to about 3, because I have to leave there at 3 in order to get home and be ready, well, to the hotel and be ready, I need to start prepping. So the biggest thing that was like my main concern was the balloons and the garlands. So I just decided that I'm just going to start on the garlands now, and just place them in big plastic bags And what I'll do is I'll just rent a U-Haul, and I'll just pack everything in the U-Haul, and I'll pack the garlands in the U-Haul. And that way when I get to the venue, I can just bring all the garlands out, and the only thing that I have to worry about is actually placing them and maybe making a few more garlands at the location, but not as much as I would need to if I didn't prep today. And then just like building up the props and stuff. So that is what I'm doing. I'm gonna prop you guys up so you guys see me kind of like making the garlands. Well, more so just blowing up the balloons a little bit until my camera dies, and then I'm gonna have to charge it, and I guess I'll show you guys how the garland is going. Yes, baby, when you see this, just know I don't do this for nobody, okay? I'm doing this shit for you, okay? I didn't even do this for myself. First of all, this is gonna look so cute. Imagine like a black, I have a vision in mind of doing a black background, and I have his name in an LED, and I'm putting it in the middle of the garland. So imagine this as a wall, a black balloon wall, and then his name in the middle. Oh my god, this is so excited. I'm so excited. But yeah, babe, if you see this, I'm doing this for you and you only, okay? You're a real one. Baby, let me just, this is my sentimental. Baby, happy birthday. You a real one. Okay, that's the reason why I'm going on my way and I'm doing all of this for you. I hope that you enjoy it. I know that you're not really big on birthdays or anything like that, but I really hope that you enjoy it. You see my efforts and you appreciate it, and you have a blast at your birthday dinner party. So I have, and that's what I gotta say, I can't be too, I think about 50 packs of 25 count balloons. Of course, I'm not blowing them all up today, but so far this is just about 2 of them. I can probably get about 10 of them done, I believe, and I'll just try to prop them around my room. To be honest, I don't care. I'll have them standing against these walls in my room until Thursday, because it's really not that long. It's literally 2 days away, a day and a half away. So yeah, I have a pump here. I had 3 of these. I got them from Hobby Lobby. I had 3 of these because my friends was going to help me, but obviously I'm not going to be able to have them help me through every step, so I'm going to use my one and I'm going to blow up my balloons. Hopefully you can see me. Okay?
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me fall. Sometimes you gon' see me fall. I won't go back. But trust me, I'm gon' hold that. Hold that.
Right now I have 25 balloon doubles. I'm going to do 2 more packs, which will make it 50, and then I'm going to start on the garland. And maybe I should start on the garland now just to kind of get an idea of how big this is going to be if I blow up all these balloons. But let's start it. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to show you guys my first garland that I have. That's his lights right there, or his IG name. So this is my first garland. It's only 7 foot high, well, 7 feet high. I'm probably gonna have to make 6 of these in order for me to properly prep, because 4 is not gonna be enough. Some of these are definitely gonna have to be in my living room. My mom is gonna be tight, but such is life. I feel like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do about 4 of them to sit in my room today, and I'll probably do another 4 and put into my living room tomorrow, so that way it will just be there overnight, so that way I don't hear that much. And then rent the U-Haul and put them all in the U-Haul truck. I think I can get this done. I don't know if I can, but this is, I feel like this is gonna be a vibe. And of course I'm gonna also add, like, I have some 11-inch balloons. I think these are 5 inches. Yeah, these are the 5-inch balloons. I have some 5-inch balloons. I have some 11-inch pearl balloons. I low-key want to blow these up because I think these are 12 inches. I want to blow some of these up, just so that I have like different sizes. So I'm gonna mix these with the 11 with the 12 inches. This has 100 of them in there, so I'm just gonna open this one pack and mix it, so then the next one has a blend of the 11 and the 12s, because the 12 is a little bit too big for me. So I'm gonna put that there. The 5 inches and the gold balloons, I'm not blowing it up until the items are, well, the balloons are already up on the walls and up in the ceilings and stuff, because then I'll know how I want to set it up. And then I also want to blow up some balloons and have them like hanging from the ceiling, so it kind of looks like there's raining balloons. So I'm really excited, because I'm just so excited. I've been planning this since December, you guys. Like, I've been planning this since December. My room is a mess. My room has been looking like a warehouse for so long, which is another reason why I have not been able to film, because this is the area that I film in. This is the area that I film in. I don't have space to film anything. I have 7 more boxes that's in my living room, and they were all here. So I don't have space for me to film. My room is a mess because I have limited space. So I have limited amount of room to place certain things. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue on blowing up these balloons and doing the garlands, and I'm gonna hop back on here. This is gonna look so good once I am done. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm at the venue and I am doing the balloon wall. Stas, my sister, and y'all don't know this man right here. He's really not that important, but he's helping us out too. So we have a couple of dices going. And this is supposed to be like the photo area. I'm gonna try to make it as tall as possible. All right, he's important. He drove the U-Haul truck here. He's important. His name is Caramel. Tonton Mellow on IG. Big Mellow, I guess. Anyways, yeah, I'm doing that now, and I forgot my camera, so I don't know how I'm about to pop that up. I'm eating McDonald's. My hair's not done. I gotta go home and do my hair. What piece is missing?
It's supposed to have something that makes it like look 3D, but I don't find that piece.
Check in the one that got the white shindig tape on it. Day Sue won already, because her party is hot. She already got a plan. We just waiting for the day. Hell nah, Day Sue gonna win every year.
Nah, my son be going hard. She be cooking. Shit, nah, you know.
You see how you try to sit here and say that I don't cook sometimes? Okay. Like, I don't be out here making a whole seafood boil better than Captain Louis.
I had a couple mediocre places.
You haven't tasted any of my food.
Huh?
You never had any of my food.
You brought meals to like Thanksgiving before.
Not like meals. Just like baked ziti. I brought turkey one year. That was about it. But other than
You try to do it with me over?
no.
With me over?
I don't need to win you over. All right, so I did not record a video showing the final results because I was in a rush. That day was so stressful. I don't think I will ever do something like that again by myself, that is. But I am going to include clips and stuff from the nights. Everyone came in dressed in a 007 Casino Royale type of theme because the theme was casino. I'm glad that everybody came dressed. All the guys were in their suits, the girls were in their dresses. It was such a vibe. The decor came out so good. I was so proud of myself. Like, I really couldn't even believe that I pulled it off. But yeah, I want you guys to go ahead and enjoy the footage that I'm going to include here. And I'm gonna just stop chatting because there ain't no more to chat about. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because after these last couple of final clips, it will be the end of the video. If you guys like these type of videos of me doing, like, you know, party event planners, because you know I'm an event planner, low-key, high-key, but low-key. I plan on doing something again like it, but I just don't know when. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and enjoy the clips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I know you're more than that. We've been talking about the way